We have been keeping you up to date best that we can on the fallout since the death of Lisa Edwards.
You know, as we've reported, Edwards died while being in police custody. She was arrested for trespassing after being released from Fort Sanders Regional Medical Center back on February 5th. According to the DA's office, she had been admitted the day before and was observed overnight before being discharged.
Now, after her arrest and during the ride toward jail, Edwards became unresponsive. She was taken back to Fort Sanders and put on life support. She passed away the next day, February 6th. The DA says Edwards died of natural causes, so no criminal charges will be pressed against the officers who were involved.
Several people came forward during Knoxville City Council's meeting last night to talk about Edwards' death. Her brother, Brad Cox, says he'll continue to act until he sees justice. Cox says the officers involved failed to protect his sister.
Now, he hopes City Council members will do what they can to make a change in how these situations are handled in the future. Now, as we said, the officers involved were cleared of any legal wrongdoing, and so far, none of them have spoken publicly about the arrest that day.
We have recently learned Lisa Edwards' family has now hired an attorney.
Now, as WAT6 On Your Side reporter Molly O'Brien talked with that lawyer about the family's future plans regarding any legal action. Molly.
Lisa Edwards' family has obtained Devin M. Jacob, the same civil rights attorney that represented families in cases like George Floyd and Pamela Turner. I spoke with Jacob today on his thoughts about Edwards' death and if civil lawsuits will be filed in the future.
There's definitely a few things that are called into question here, and it's my belief that the hospital is directly liable along with the police department.
Devin M. Jacob, the civil rights attorney representing Lisa Edwards' family, says he was horrified watching the police body cam footage.
Anyone with any common sense could tell that something was going wrong with Miss Edwards at the time and that she needed medical attention.
Jacob is working on gathering all of the facts.
I've already been in contact with certain persons who were in that hospital at the time when this occurred. And just from what I'm hearing, there are certainly questions that need to be answered with respect to her medical care.
An autopsy shows Edwards died from a stroke. The district attorney's office announced 2 weeks ago charges would not be filed against the officers involved.
There's a complete abuse of authority that you see here. There's official oppression with respect to how they use their police powers. And, you know, there are various statutes that are maybe lower in level on a grading scale from homicide that certainly apply here.
According to Jacob, they are currently in the process of getting a representative from Ms. Edwards' estate appointed.
It may take a few weeks to get there, but, you know, we'll get there. We'll get those facts. And then we'll be able to request the medical records. We'll be able to put together a proper complaint lawsuit and proceed forward at that point.
As for if a lawsuit will be filed, Jacob says yes.
Just from what I see on the video and from what I can already see with respect to the hospital's involvement, I can say with certainty that there will at least be hospital defendants and police defendants.
Since Edwards' death, there have been several protests demanding change. Jacob echoing that call.
With respect to change and whether there will be change and reform, I hope so.
Now, the Knoxville Police Department has said those officers involved in the incident have been on administrative leave since February. KPD says an internal investigation is currently being conducted. Back to you.
All right, Molly, thank you. Now, Fort Sanders Regional Medical Center officials have also said they are conducting an investigation on their own about the incident. We, of course, will continue to follow the case and keep you updated as we have more information to pass on.